Okay, we already did a video porta potty number 1. This is number 2. Quite frankly, we didn't like the results of the first one.
So
Happy New Year's, everybody. This is porta potty number 2. Let's go. Ladies first.
Damn, I swear if a car passes. I like how the little top is like smoking from the last one. Shit, dude. Damn, dude, come on. Oh shit, close the door, close the door. Close the door, nigga. Oh shit. Oh shit, dude. Hey, let's go open it,
Dude, bootleg fireworks, dude.
Dude.
Alright, I'll take
Oh
point.
shit, dude.
We're running, guys. Don't go outside.
Hey, I'm taking point.
Oh, damn.
Dude.
Oh shit.